Hello pharmacians. Today we will study SAR of benzodiazepines, which is also called benzos. Benzodiazepines are the medications that cause mild to severe depression of the nerves within the brain. This class of drugs are used for the treatment of anxiety, nervousness, insomnia, panic disorder, and seizures. Overdosing or long-time use of benzodiazepines may cause following side effects like depression, jaundice, low heart rate, low blood pressure, respiratory depression. Few of the examples are alprazolam, clonazepam, and clorazepam. Now let's start with structure activity relationship of benzodiazepines. This is the basic structure of benzodiazepine, in which a benzene ring is attached with a 7-membered ring, which is called diazepine ring, or we can also call it imino ring. Here, the imino ring is marked as B, the benzene ring attached to the imino ring is marked as A, and a ring C at position 5. R1, R2, R3 and R4 are the different places where substitution can be done. Let's start with the ring B first. Ring B is the position in the molecule from where the molecule gets binds to the receptor and responsible for initiating the activity of the compound. Here we have R1 at first position, which should be small, like a small alkyl group. For example, methyl group. Aromatic group or any bulky group is not allowed. It may decrease the activity. At second position we have carbonyl group, which is very much important for the activity of the compound, and it also contributes towards the binding affinity of the compound. At third position, R2 must be substituted with the OH group so as to gain the polarity, and if the compound is polar, it will directly excreted into the urine, which will ultimately lead to the short duration of action of the compound. There is a double bond between fifth position and fourth position. This double bond is very much essential for the affinity of the compound towards the receptor site. If this bond is shifted from 4-5 position to 3-4 position, then the activity of the compound may be suffered. Phenyl group at fifth position promotes the activity of the compound. If this phenyl group is ortho or diortho substituted with electronegative groups, it will increase the activity of the whole compound. Para substitution will decrease the activity of the compound. Coming to the ring A, there should be no substitution at 6, 8 and 9th position. At R4 position, means at 7th carbon, electronegative group should be substituted. More the electronegativity of the compound, more will be the potency.